As far as putting some trim boards and soffit ply back on. So I'll check in a couple of times throughout. You pay all this money and put a Deck Tech deck on here, and then you screw through here. See that? I don't know if you can tell. That's supposed to be subfloor. It's been leaking since they installed it. Fucking crazy, crazy, crazy. You gotta do better. Got it all taken apart now. Got our shingles off. Got around the post off. Got it cut around the drip cap. So I'll show you when I'm taking it off. It's a mess. Alright, the rest is just cleanup. So I'm gonna spare you. Well, this is as far as I got today. Got everything but my rip on. Day number 2 in the books. I gotta go clean up that mess and be home by 5:30.